you know, yesterday Oppo launched the Oppo Watch 3 series. It consists of two models, the Oppo Watch 3 and the Watch 3 Pro. The watch arrives with a square dial just like the predecessors. It has a aluminum alloy frame and fiberglass casing. The screen is 1.75 AMOLED screen with a resolution of 413 to 372 pixels. The Watch 3 Pro sports a 1.91 LTPO curved OLED screen with a 4.96 into 378 pixels. Both of them offers 326 ppi. Only the Pro version has a crown. Both of them are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 chipset with 1 GB of RAM and 32 GB of built-in storage. They also have Oppo's own Apollo 4 Plus chip, so you can dual boot ColorOS Watch, which is based on Wear OS and RTOS. The Pro variant should have has a 5550 mAh battery, and the battery is said to be lasting up to 5 days, while the vanilla model has a 400 mAh battery, which should last you up to 4 days. The pricing is also very nice for these watches. The normal one should start from around $237, with the leather version up to $252. The Oppo Watch 3 Pro starts from $296, with the leather version going up to $311. Both of them are available on China for pre-order and should start shipping from August 19. They both offer LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, GNSS and NFC. It has 5 ATM water resistance along with accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, heart rate sensor, SpO2 monitor, ambient light sensor and altimeter. The Pro variant also gets ECG monitoring. So seems like to be a very good watch with very good prices. I just wish they could have given like a body fat analysis machine like what Samsung is offering. But very good watch. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.